Namaste and welcome to our comprehensive update on the Chandigarh Tricity real estate market for October 2025, a region witnessing dynamic growth and significant developments. The Chandigarh Tricity region, encompassing Chandigarh, Mohali and Panchkula, is currently experiencing a period of remarkable real estate transformation. This overview will delve into the key developments shaping the investment landscape for both real estate investors and potential homebuyers in this thriving region. Chandigarh has achieved a significant milestone, proudly becoming India's first slum-free city, a testament to its progressive urban planning. This achievement followed the demolition of Shahpur Colony, reclaiming valuable government land previously occupied by informal settlements. Nearly 1,000 residents from Shahpur Colony were successfully rehabilitated into dignified housing, ensuring a human approach to urban development. The reclaimed government land has now been earmarked for an institutional site, promising future development and economic growth for the city. Turning to housing schemes, the Chandigarh Housing Board Sector 53 scheme faces significant delays and affordability concerns. Despite strong initial public interest, a sharp 30–40% hike in collector rates drastically increased flat costs, leading to refunds for over 7,000 applicants. This unexpected increase has created uncertainty surrounding the project's timeline and future viability. However, a new housing scheme is actively being planned for Sector 54, offering fresh opportunities for prospective homeowners. Panchkula's luxury housing market is experiencing substantial growth, driven by increasing property values and significant NRI investment. Property values in Panchkula have risen over 20% in the last 5 years, attracting aspirational urban families, NRIs, and HNIs. NRIs now constitute a remarkable 46% of property transactions exceeding 1 crore rupees in Panchkula, highlighting their strong interest. DLF's Valley Gardens has seen impressive price increases from 8,329 rupees to 10,556 rupees per square foot, reflecting market confidence. Furthermore, sectors 20 and 25 are offering attractive annual rental yields of 5 to 7%, significantly outperforming Mumbai's 3.5%. Several key factors are driving this regional growth, positioning Chandigarh as a top investment destination. Chandigarh's top investment ranking is bolstered by crucial infrastructure projects like the PR7 Ring Road and Airport Road. The PR7 Airport Road in Jeerakpur specifically enhances connectivity between Chandigarh, Mohali, Panchkula, and Patiala. The development of Mohali's technology park further fuels economic activity and job creation, attracting a skilled workforce. Additionally, the weakening Indian rupee has made the region an even more attractive investment opportunity for overseas Indians seeking luxury properties. DLF Homes has reported a significant increase in NRI interest, underscoring the growing appeal of the Tricity market. The market outlook for Chandigarh Tricity remains largely positive, with strong investment considerations despite some challenges. Affordability remains a key challenge, particularly in Chandigarh where real estate rates are among the highest in the Tricity. The Jeerakpur-Mohali corridor is rapidly gaining prominence, emerging as a significant hub for residential and commercial development. Chandigarh recorded an impressive 270.72 crore rupees in stamp duty and registration fees in FY 2024-25, indicating robust transaction activity. The UTA State Office has decided to auction more than 700 residential plots, presenting new opportunities for buyers and developers. A recent auction saw a 1,014 square yard plot in Sector 33-C sold for a remarkable 33.41 crore rupees, showcasing high demand. Furthermore, the sale of a bungalow in Sector 9 was registered for an astounding 126 crore rupees, highlighting the ultra-luxury segment's strength. Increased interest in less polluted cities like Chandigarh Tricity is also being observed, partly due to Delhi's air pollution crisis. The Chandigarh Tricity real estate market continues to evolve, offering diverse opportunities for growth and investment in the coming years.